Yo, let's make some rice. Let's make lunch. Come with me. Come with me as we. This is what we are planning to make. Hii ni mchele, as you all know. And then this zinaitwaje, hebu niambieni kwa comment section. First of all, we start by choosing the rice. Nachagua ni mchele. Kama iko na tumawe, tunatoa tumawe. Basically yangu ni kani safi. And then you wash it. And then tuchemshe hizi vitu. I've already washed them, so nitazichemsha and then I'll show you how it is. So this is how it looks. Naeka maji. So that it can boil. And then after boiling, we'll show you what's up. So make sure umeifunika. Katu ikiwa umefunika, give it like 30 minutes. We see how it's going. Meantime, I'll be boiling water for my rice. I don't cook rice with cold water, so I'll be boiling water for my rice. So hii mchele imeshakuwa safi. Hii mchele iko sawa. It's already clean. Maybe you can see. It's already clean. And then I'll wash it. And then we start cooking it. So our rice is already washed, and then I'll add water, which is hot water, until penye mchele inatoshana, penye mchele inafika. Hot water helps to cook it faster. So nimeshaika maji moto, and then I'll add salt and cooking oil, and then process of cooking. These green things, we call them mishiri in my native language. So zinachemka, zikishachemka tutazitoa, tuzikatekate in small pieces, and then wacha tuchemshe mchele. We wait for the mchele to ichemke and the peas, the mishiri to get pia hiyo ive. We'll be cutting nyanyas. Yeah. Nilijua utafanya kila siku, jua iko namna hii. Baba, nilijua utatenda kila siku, jua iko namna hii. Umenishangaza, maana sikujua iko namna hii. So I'm cutting nyanya na carrot, and then ndio ikiiva tutakaranga. Baba, nilijua utaniheshimisha ila sikujua niko namna hii. Hakika nilijua utaniheshimisha Mungu wangu, ila sikujua niko namna hii. Umenishangaza, maana sikujua. Okay, so for those who don't know me, I am Miss Wanjera. Trying this content thingy. Okay, basically I've been doing YouTube, another type of content. So I'm trying this lifestyle vlog, and it takes a lot of courage to show your life, like your actual life, how it is. And I'm loving this journey. So I'm trying this content thing, and we just hope for the best. Actually, I want to grow in this, but and get equipment, revamp our kitchen, just for the better and the good of everything. So make sure you support me, guys. If you like this kind of content, please support, because we are growing. Yeah, we are going to grow. Many of the people vlog and they start like okay, wamesha make it. Me, I'm starting out in my mom's house. Yeah, because I've kept on saying okay, nitaanza. I'll start this thing and I don't start because I always see as if it's not yet there, but nimeamua acha nianze. Yo, so I think these ones are ready. I'll sieve the water and cut them. So this is how they look after being boiled. Na nimesha kata nyanya, ndo hizi hapa nyanya na carrot, and now we'll cut them into pieces. The process of they are literally hot. Man, sini moto. I think I should have waited for them to cool. These things are quite healthy and tasty. It's funny how when you know how to cook, family tells you, eti ebo tupikie ile design yako. So you find yourself cooking every time when do unapika all the time. Yeah, so nimeshakata, and then I don't even think there's a need of putting them here. Nimeshakata and go naka back to the shop and get these. Sikuwa na kitunguu saumu, so lazima ningeenda kuendea. We, ile jua iko nje, wacha tu. Ile jua ni kali. Leo ni Thursday. And it's around I think 1:50, and it's ile jua ni kali. Ni kali. I'm literally sweating. So nimeshaka kitunguu na nyanya. Let me show you. Nimeshaka kitunguu na nyanya. Sijeka nyanya. I mean nimeshaka kitunguu na saumu. Kitunguu saumu. I love cooking with kitunguu saumu so much. Nimeka tu mafuta. Yeah, let's prepare it. So it starts turning yellow. Ama gold. Ni gold. Ni gold. Kushaanza kuturn gold. Unaweka nyanya na carrot. I'm not a left-handed. I'm holding my phone with my right hand, so it's hard for me to koroga. Na English ni ngumu man. It's hard for me to stir. The mishiri after zimechemshwa, and now I think the nyanya imeshakuwa imeiva. Oh my god. I think nyanya imeiva. Let me lower the heat. And then we'll put on the mishiri. Send hizo. Stir them. It's giving color. Anza kuleta kala mzuri sasa. These ones are ni rahisi kupika food. You just boil. You can even add meat. Nilelewa tu na nyama. Unaweza add meat hapo. I don't know where the light is going, but unaweza add meat hapo. Nimeamua eti ni add gadhufu. But just a little ndo at least isiungue. Na weki chumvi. And then you cover it. Vyombo zinaanguka huko. Funike and then you let it wait. Our food is ready. Yeah. The rice is already ready. Yeah, I will plate it, and this is how our food looks. Yeah, I'm loving it. Nimejaribu hapo kwa presentation. I'm loving it. I'm loving the food. It looks so nice, and I bet it tastes nice as well. We see how it tastes. Really nice. Motamu tu. Quite simple to make and really, really nice. Make sure you try it and send me the pictures. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Will you try? Is it something that you'd want to try? Finally, we have made the food and I've tasted it, guys, and it's so yummy. You guys should try and tell me how it's going to come out. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment hapo kitu, hata nisalimie. If you want to know more about me, just tell me down in the comment section. Have a lovely day. Yeah, see you in the next one.